Hello, today I would like to present you how to test those Apple Pro speakers without actually connecting them to your Mac computer. They are being called Pro speakers and the model is M6531. They are using this plug that looks a little bit like a 3.5mm, but it's not going to fit your regular audio device. But it is also not just a matter of adapting the connector, they are electrically incompatible because they do require external amplifier. First, let's take a look at them. They are really beautiful. As you can see, we've got that transparent plastic thing. They looks like a crystal ball, but of course it is a plastic. But it is extremely high quality. They've got a lot of waves, so even if you are going to play a loud music with a lot of bass, there is absolutely no cracking or no moving around, and you have to believe me, they are extremely heavy and there is no weight attached, so it is a really beefy plastic enclosure, absolutely beautiful. In general, you could use those devices with absolutely any audio amplifier. You can just cut that plug, and that's because they are carrying just a regular audio signals that go to speaker number 1 and speaker number 2. There is absolutely no electronic. It is a totally passive device. As we know that we do require an audio amplifier, the easiest way is going to be using absolutely cheapest USB speakers. And as you can see, we've got the audio output that is actually after the amplifier that is being powered through that USB lead. And we are going to get a proper signal that can drive that speaker to give us test whether it is operational or not. The first step is going to be, of course, powering up our speaker. We are going to be, of course, using goal 0. We are going to attach it to the USB, and as you can see, we've got the blue light. With use of standard 3.5mm, we are going to feed that speaker with an audio signal. We can turn music and check if it's operational. Now we need to pull our amplified signal, so I'm going to grab this RCA plug, connect it into our speaker, and now we can tap into our signal. The center one is going to be our positive, and I will color code it red. And the shell is going to be our negative, which is important when we are going to be driving our membrane. So this is how it should look. And now we can make more room here. When we are taking a look at our plug like this, the tip is going to be our left speaker positive, then the first ring is going to be our left speaker negative, the second ring is going to be right speaker negative, and the third ring that is not visible is going to be right speaker positive. So we need to wire at least one speaker at the time to make our test. So let me mount it into our stand. We are going to test our left speaker, which is over there. The tip is going to be our positive, and our negative goes to the first ring. And absolutely do not pay attention to me touching other ring terminals because they are not taking part in our test. Let's play our audio. And I can hear that it's working just fine. You can see the membrane. And I will move it closer to the mic. So as you can clearly see, the left speaker is fully operational. I attached this little bit of solder to gain a better access to the internal ring. Then we are going to grab our negative and it's going to be touching the second ring. Absolutely do not pay attention that we are shorting the top one because they are for the left channel and they are not supply. And we can try to play it. I cannot hear anything, so let me move it a little bit, and now it's working fine. Let me move it closer. And as you can see, that way we are being able to test our speakers without using a real Mac computer. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.